Okay, we're at Paynes Prairie Preserve Campground, located just north of Micanopy, Florida. And we're going to see what we have here. That's the comfort station. That's our site 39. It's a handicap site, that's why it's got concrete. But there you can see it's one way, going the way I'm going. Arrow down there. And here are the sites. The thing is, there's a canopy of trees in here. This is just fabulous for having a cool experience. Even in the summertime, you've got shade. You don't need to worry about being in a broiling sun. And the sites are nice. They've got water and electric. No sewer, but they got a dump station, so you can last 4 or 5 days without any problem. Good separation between the sites, and it's kind of just a dirt, but the main road looks like it needs maintenance, but it is paved. And you can see look up there. Perfect. This is the way I like a campground to look and feel. Cool, comfortable, and in touch with nature. They only cut out enough trees to build the road and the sites, and look, good separation for that feeling of being out in the woods by yourself. So Paynes Prairie is now on my list of favorites, along with Hillsborough River State Park. It's kind of similar to this with the canopy of trees around. Oh, this is really I just enjoy it. Tenters, they can come in here and enjoy time. Now, this is a big loop. This is 2. It's site 1 through 50, and it's only one big loop in here. And look, they're looking for a host. This is a host position, and it has full hookup for the host. They have sewer also. And there is the comfort station that I just saw the other side. So we're on the other side of the comfort station, the back side. And that's my rig over there at site 39. A little airstream. But he's got a lot of separation in here. That's what I like. You're not right like some of the private parks that are stacked right on top of one another, and all the trees are gone, and they won't let you have a fire. You have fire rings. You have a table, place to hang a lantern, that post with a hook. All the elements you need. If you come here, don't bring wood from other regions. They want you to get the wood from this area, or if you live in the area, bring your wood, but don't transport it from other states, because that's how we end up with bugs and things that eat trees and destroy trees. Yeah. I think this little walk will give you a little look at what Paynes Prairie has to offer. And for me, it's a gold mine. I really like it, and I live in Gainesville, so I'm only about 15 miles away. Another state park I like, Florida State Park, is Silver Springs State Park. Here's the campground host. I met them, very nice people from Tampa. But Silver Springs State Park is in Ocala, and it's about 50 miles from Gainesville, and I like that park also. Very nice. There's a lot of bicycle trails around here. It's very popular for the bicyclist to get on these trails and ride them. And they have a visitor center with a, it's about a 5-story tower that gives you a good view of Paynes Prairie area out. And supposedly they had bison around, and you could view those. This is the tent camper area. They park here, and out in that area are small sites that they can hook their set their tents up. And there's one car, and I see a orange dome tent. So they have them just specially for tenters. A lot of birds and animals around. I did see armadillo. I'm sure there's some raccoons or something in here. And deer. Should be able to see some of those. Okay, we're up to Site 35, and I'm 39, so I see the rig up there, the old Pace Arrow. Sun shining through. Oh, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I like to get out early, and here's a good example of how the sites look. They all look basically the same, with a good separation. And there we are. It's been an enjoyable time. And you can see the handicap site is made for wheelchairs and easy access for people that have disabilities. Anyone can camp on a or reserve a disability site. We happen to have my wife who is disabled with vision, but I think if it's available, you can rent it. Okay. And each site has a grill. Well, you know, I say that. This stand-up, yeah, is probably for the handicap site because of the fact that they would be in a wheelchair possibly and cooking. But all of them have a fire ring like this that has a grate that can be adjusted for cooking. Okay, so that is not on all the sites. And all of them have a picnic table. So, there we go. And you can get television here. Pointed down toward the antenna farm, and you get all the basic channels you get in Gainesville down here. Okay, well, come on down and visit, and I think you'll like it. Okay, thanks for watching.